up the rest of our fucking trim paint. Painting the windows back in that bedroom and that bedroom. Dave's gonna be finishing up the shelves and working in the closets and shit like that, and then start working on that pantry. And if I run out of paint, then I'll just move over and start putting down hardy board in the bathroom, so we can go ahead on. If I can set that toilet, get this fucking bathroom knocked out the way. So this is where we are at the beginning of day 29 of our house renovation. I don't think we'll be inside here too much longer, but my plan is to fucking finish everything inside, get all the cabinets and shit and the countertops and the fucking kitchen done, get it all done and ready to be fucking where it's ready for the fucking floor to be sanded. Once the fucking floor sanding company comes in and starts redoing the floors and shit like that, then I'm gonna move outside, start pulling all the wood right off, reglazing the windows, painting the fucking front porch railings, redoing the concrete on the front steps, tearing the driveway out, installing a new driveway, replacing broken glass windows, fucking renovating the outside of the garage where the windows have been shot out, fixing up shit, cleaning the trash and junk off the lot, putting it in a trash dumpster. And while that's going on, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be working outside. Then they're going to have like a threshold of 1 to 2 weeks where we can come back in here and walk on the floor. Once I'm done outside with the outside of the house, then I'm going to come back in here and I'm going to install fucking oak shoe molding around all the fucking walls and all the floors and everything in the house will be finished. Right, so we're at the end of day 29 and I'm working on the windowsills, painting the windowsills. I noticed that windowsill was rotted. There's all these vines and shit out here holding moisture up on the side of the fucking house. Look at this. The whole fucking corner of the house is rotted. See that shit? Also, the nosing is fucking rotted on the window. See how that just looks like? And then watch. See how it compresses in? That's rotted. This old brick molding. Look at that. That's rotted. It's rotted. And it's all caused by all these vines and shit over here holding fucking moisture on this side of the house and stuff. So I'm gonna have a guy come over here and get these vines off for me this coming week and stuff. Pay him about an hour, get that shit cleaned up, and start scraping some of this paint and stuff because there's a lot of wood rot on the outside of the house. Fascia board. Wood rot on the garage. You can see it was vines all up there at one time. Look at that. Rotted fascia board and soffit on the garage. Windows shot out. He shot the windows out with a fucking BB gun. So these are all things that I'm gonna have to fucking deal with when I come back up here and start working on the outside. Rotted. It's just fucking rot everywhere. Another big problem is all the fucking windows are fucking held in, but the glass in all the windows held in with window glazing. So just fucking scrape all that out, reglaze all the windows and paint all the windows and all that other shit. So what did we do today? Today, he started putting fucking trim paint on the pantry. Dave was working on the fucking closets. All the trims painted down. All 18 windows are fucking painted on the inside. Pull that old window unit out. These windows right here, they're painted. This one right here, I put a piece of wood in that fucking windowsill right there because it was rotted out. Somebody busted the damn glass out of the fucking window. So all these fucking windows, have glass cracked or broke or missing. I'm gonna have to fucking replace all that shit. But basically today, you got all the windows painted, all 18 of them. All the closets are fucking done. That's all the fucking shelves are back in the closets. So the painting part is about finished. Probably about finished with that tomorrow. Window sills, sashes. You gotta scrape the glass. I don't have enough of that baseboard. They don't make anymore. So I'm gonna have to fucking get enough baseboard to go in this room and the other room. Next week, I'm gonna terminate those fucking lights right there and put them inside of a box, seal them up. That's gonna be done next week. Tomorrow, if I get to it, I might start putting this hardy plank down, this hardy backer down for the fucking tile. But that's pretty much where we're at for the day, Painting shelves, still painting. Painting takes a long time, especially all the fucking trim. You gotta figure 2 coats of oil primer on all of the trim, 1 thick coat of oil primer on all the walls and ceilings, 2 rolls of wall paint on all the walls, and 2 to 3 coats of trim paint on all the trim. And the closets and shit, shelves, door frames, all that other bullshit. I still gotta come in here. I'll probably come in here tomorrow and start putting tub and towel caulk and sealer up inside the tub, filling them cracks up and stuff and getting that so it can be used. So that's where we're at. So subscribe to Get Go TV and stay tuned for tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, day 30 of our house renovation, where we will be finishing up the paint on the pantry, maybe putting some hardy backer down, just doing some last minute bullshit because I got my cabinets for my kitchen, the bottom and the top cabinets are coming in on Monday, so hopefully I can get them here and delivered by Monday or Tuesday, so I can start hanging cabinets and putting the cabinets in. That way I know the footprint of the floor in there. And I can go ahead and put some glue on down and start picking that floor and then get a floor going in the kitchen. So, best case scenario next week, the upper and lower cabinets go in and the floor gets done in the kitchen and the bathroom. You just have to wait and see because you never know what you're going to run into. So subscribe to Get Go TV. Hit the little notification bell so you know when I upload another video. Subscribe to the channel. If you have a question, leave a question in the comment section and I will answer it personally. Or you can email me at peninsulaimp@gmail.com, which is also a link to that in the channel description. So stay tuned for tomorrow, day 30 of our house renovation. Have a good day. Out.